In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable background audio on Brave browser. If you want audio to continue playing while using other apps, switching tabs, or minimizing your browser window, enabling background audio in Brave browser is a very useful setting to turn on. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, online radio, or long-form videos, Brave includes built-in options that allow audio playback to continue smoothly in the background. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the settings you need to adjust so background audio works properly on your browser. To begin, open Brave browser on your computer and wait for the browser window to fully load. Once you're on the main browser screen, move your cursor toward the upper right corner of the window where you'll see the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to open Brave's main menu. After the menu appears, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's main settings page where you can customize browser behavior, privacy controls, and performance-related features. Once you're inside the settings area, look toward the left-hand sidebar where the different categories are listed. From there, click on System. This section contains important settings related to how Brave operates in the background and how it uses your computer's resources. Inside the System section, look for the option labeled Continue running background apps when Brave is closed. This setting allows Brave to keep certain browser processes active even when the main browser window is no longer open. Turn this toggle on to enable the feature. Enabling this option can help audio continue playing in the background while Brave remains active behind the scenes. This is especially useful for media playback, music streaming, podcasts, and other audio-based websites that need to stay active after you minimize or close the browser window. There's also another setting you can check to make sure audio playback functions correctly across websites. Return to the left sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. This section controls permissions related to website behavior, content access, and media settings. From there, open Site and Shield Settings. This page allows you to manage detailed permissions for websites and online content. Scroll down until you find Additional Content Settings and click on it to expand more options. Next, select Sound. This section controls whether websites are allowed to play audio inside the browser. Make sure the option labeled Sites Can Play Sound is enabled. If this setting is turned off, websites may be prevented from playing audio properly, including during background playback. Once both of these settings are enabled, Brave browser should allow audio content to continue playing while you multitask, switch tabs, or minimize the browser window. And that's it. You've successfully enabled background audio on Brave browser for a smoother and more convenient listening experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.